And welcome back to your Midday Sports. I'm Renata Brown. Now, the women's 100 and 200 meter events at today's Diamond League final in Zurich are expected to provide some fast times and entertainment as world champions Shericka Jackson and Shelly and Fraser Price look to capture diamond trophies.
At 1:23 p.m., Shericka Jackson and Shelly and Fraser Price will clash in the 100-meter event, with both women promising to produce fast times. Fraser Price, who withdrew from the Lausanne Diamond League meet 2 weeks ago after feeling some discomfort in her hamstring, returned to finish second behind Jackson in Brussels last Friday in 10.74 seconds. The 35-year-old, who has a personal best on 10.60 seconds, says dipping below the mark remains top of her list.
So that's what drives me, to be honest. And having the competition is a plus. You know, having the ladies there in the line that you know that, okay, you have to be ready and it's going to be good and it's going to be exciting. And for me, it helps me to, get to the line and to focus on the technique and get the job done quickly.
Meanwhile, Jackson will look to achieve a rare Diamond League sprint double, as she will also contest the 200 meters at 2:42 p.m. Jackson, who is the second fastest woman in history over the half-lap event, says her personal best of 21.45 seconds done to win the world title in Oregon was a goal set after her 21.55 seconds run at the national championships. But now she has a new goal.
I think I had expected the time right after the Jamaica trials. I said, okay, it's coming, and I wanted it so bad, and I continued to work. Right after the trials, I went back to training and I achieved that, and I'm so happy. I went back home though and I wrote a different goal, so
I was just going to ask you that. What have you written down there?
Definitely, I wrote another time there because I definitely want to go faster, and I think I'm capable of doing that. If it's not done tomorrow, then definitely I'll come back next year, work even harder.
Jackson will face American Gabby Thomas, who is the fourth fastest in the history of the 200 meters event. Sandy Williams for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Sandy. Now the St. Lucia Kings team of Jamaicans Javor Royal and for 25 and Imad Wazim 2 for 15. And that's it for your Midday Sports Report. Shane, here's back to you.